Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係練習小 Joseph Lin. And this month we're teaching you a very, very practical phrase. And it's why. 為什麼？
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅？ So let's give you a scenario where you might ask why. OK， 比如說朋友突然間要請客，總是有一個原因在嘛。為什麼他請客？ Exactly. If you got a friend all of a sudden who wants to say, "Hey, let's go out for dinner. I'll treat." You know, there's got to be a reason behind it. So you might want to ask why. OK. So 請客怎麼說？
請飲客。
請飲客 that means to treat everyone to a meal. OK. 請飲客 or even 去旅遊也可以說啊，我請客去旅遊。
好，那我跟你去。
更大方了，對不對？我沒有答應哦。But sometimes it's as simple as because it's his or her birthday. 有可能只是因為生日，他覺得很喜氣洋洋嘛，就這樣請客。請客 Yeah, maybe it's because of a birthday. So how do you say birthday?
賞日。
賞日，哎，好像要賞你什麼東西，對不對？
賞日
就很請客的感覺。
生日啦，請客啦，那海陸強生日賞日。賞
日 ，OK，
賞日，
賞日也是好像要上米一樣這樣子哈，所以生日都要請客的呢，是這樣子嗎？
有人生日要請客啊。
對 ，All right, so that's how you say birthday. Okay, it sounds like I'm treating to someone as well. And then sometimes people are treating because maybe, just maybe, they won the jackpot or the lotto. 有可能有的時候你會懷疑，人家為什麼突然間這麼大方請客，是中樂透了，對不對？中獎。對，中獎怎麼說？抽獎。抽獎。不是要抽獎不是嗎？抽獎那種感覺。抽獎中了，中獎了。哦，抽獎 even though in Mandarin it sounds like a lucky draw, but it really means you won something already. 中獎了，抽獎。對。Let's make a phrase out of one of these vocabulary. 你為什麼要請客 ？Okay, you want to ask people, why are you treating? How do you say that?
做乜嘅？做
乜嘅？
愛請飲客。
愛請飲客。
做乜嘅？愛請飲客。
啊，做乜嘅？愛請飲客。To break it down, 做乜嘅？就是你為什麼要請飲客要請客 ？Why are you treating?
有錢啊
！Yeah. Let's review all these terms. All right, 請客。
請飲客。
請飲客 Again, that's treating someone. 生日 birthday.
賞日。
賞日。And then finally, 中獎了。
抽獎。
抽獎 that means hitting the jackpot. And it's all about why. 點解？為什麼？
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅？ And there you go. That does for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.